Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about model chamfer milling operation. Our topics are selection chain geometry, toolpath type, tool selection, holder selection, cut parameter and multipasses. So first of all we need to object for apply our operation. So I will create the object in solid box or block with center origin. The length value is 100, width is 80 and the height is 20 with center origin. Okay, now I will apply fillet here at these edges. Okay, and the radius value is 10. Okay, now change the view isometric. So in wireframe, create the line with this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, in solid I will create the cylinder direct at middle of this line, and the value is radius value 20 and the height value is 30 and OK. Now create circle at top of this face. So the radius value is 12. OK. Now in solid extrude, select this circle. Okay, and cut this body through this dimension, means 30. Okay, now I will delete this line. You will see these two parts are different. So boolean, select this part and add this part. Okay. Okay. Now change the view in isometric and select the machine, mill, default, and now in this case stock setup. So I will select solid object. Select this arrow, select this object and OK, and stock is display. You will see this is our object. Now apply the operation. So I will click here, model chamfer, your chain selection. So I will select this chain, reverse it and OK. Now tool selection. So select library tool, 10 diameter 45 angle. OK. Now holder selection. So I will select this holder. In cut parameters, I will set the bottom offset 2 and the chamfer width is also 2. Now you will see stock to leave on wall and on floor is also 0. So now I will select directly multi-passes. So here the rough cut is 1 with spacing 1. Finish cut is 2 with spacing 0.5. So I will click linking parameters and OK. You will see the toolpath is ready. Now if you apply the another time chamfer, so select another time your operation, otherwise right click here and copy this. Now right click here and paste. Now change the geometry. So here click, right click and rechain. Now select this chain. OK. OK, and just regenerate your operation. You will see the operation is not visible. So just click on this geometry, right click, change the side, OK, and regenerate. You will see. Again, right click here, paste, geometry. So right click and rechain and select inside, OK, OK. Regenerate, you will see. So I will select both the operation, you will see here, and check in verify selected operation. So I will just click. See, now I will play the operation. You will see the model chamfer is applied. See. Okay, so I will just close it. Change the view, isometric, fit. Okay, so this is our model chamfer operation. In next lecture, we will discuss about FBM operation. Thank you, friends.